Alright guys, we are out here. We're at COTA. We're about to get the car out of here, get the Gumball stickers all done up, get it wrapped, and yeah man, start this day. This could get crazy real quick, so keep up.
This is so crazy. Oh my god. We're out here at COTA with the Exotics Network, and these guys are jamming about putting together a Gumball party. Maximilian, owner and founder of the Gumball, invited us out. I brought the 6-wheel Ferrari, and we're gonna lead the pack going into Austin today. I don't think I wanna take my car down to Mexico City, but some of these guys are gonna do it, and it's gonna be a blast. I'm stoked. This is really the first time we're showing off this car in a massive way. And what better way to do it than with Gumball 3000 and the Exotics Network. Get you some of that. Gumball rocks!
Yeah, no, it's pretty exciting to have the F6 in front of a bunch of exotics, and I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen one on the rally before, so I think this is a first. What do you think, Sitchin?
Definitely a first. Definitely a first. I don't think there's going to be any car out there that are like, oh, is it the same?
Well, see if we can turn some heads.
This is our entry pass for the 40 vehicles doing the parade into the Capitol today.
Okay.
So that's just anywhere in the hood, dead center.
What if we Ricky Bobby it right on the windshield?
Oh, even better. Please. No one's ever done that. It'd be awesome. It's going to look crazy on
I'm excited.
On Congress.
Yeah, no, I'm excited. This car stickered up is going to be sweet. Like we was talking about that on the way here. Like the 550 that him and Dennis, broke the record in, it's still stickered up from Gumball.
No way.
And I told him, I was like, man, if this wrap, looks as cool as that one, I was like, do we pull it off or do we just let it live on the car forever now?
Yeah,
so,
right.
Yeah, we're going to redo the headlights and do a little bit of change in the rear after we get done with all of this. We're talking about doing Maranello headlights before we bring them and wrap them around.
Nice.
They got the curve on the edge.
Yeah. Is this isn't stock, is it?
Oh no.
This looks a little wider.
Yeah, it's wider for sure. Yep. I think the only thing that got left alone would be roof skin and doors. Everything else has been modified.
Obviously this huge wing is very stock by Ferrari.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Dude, this thing's nuts. Yeah, it's crazy. Roof scoop, stock by Ferrari.
Yep.
Didn't know they made the extra axle over there in Italy.
So Gumball does a lot of business with Evolve, and they're out here to put the sticker pack on the car. Obviously, I wasn't at the start in Miami, so we're going to get the official Gumball Miami to Mexico sticker pack put on the F6, and we're going to have some fun with that. This is the first time I had my Gumball car stickered up in about 5 or 6 years, so I'm pretty stoked on it.
Hack. We got a little fold right there.
Yep.
Right about here. Now let's eyeball. A little higher.
Make sure it's straight, Josh. Don't fuck it up.
This is all on Josh. No pressure, Josh.
It's Josh.
Your boy's ever been to Mexico?
Look,
You can fuck up a wet dream.
bitch.
Damn.
Man, this is awesome, dude. I'm telling you, the energy, the wholeness of just being on Gumball is so crazy. I got it.
A gentleman at a scholar. Oh my God! Oh God! It's all over.
Don't fuck it up.
We have like 50 of them.
Second to Vance, he's going to lead us through this drive. We're going to be doing a special portion at the very end of our drive, which is going to have the Capitol in the background of our 40 vehicles. So for the first time ever, we'll be getting that beautiful, beautiful moment with Congress, the Capitol, all the cars all together. Once we get on South Congress.
So we're having a driver's meeting here, and talk about how we're going to parade in, because you know you got 100 and something cars on Gumball, you got 40 something cars on the Exotics network here going in, and they got a couple of us, especially the F6, doing some special stuff. But here is the way we do things at Gas Monkey Garage. My guys build whatever they can pull out of my head and put it together. And while a lot of people think that I'm the mastermind or the guy or the whatever, they put their blood, sweat, and tears into this and built it. So, brother, you're driving Gumball.
Northbound on South College.
You're driving?
Left on Riverside.
You built it. You're doing it.
North on South first when you cross.
Get some of that. Give credit where credit's due.
So check out the lineup. There is 40 of the baddest cars I've seen in a long freaking time. So check all this shit out, dude. Look at this. We got a green Revelto, couple GT40s, Yardo. I see an 812 like Richards. I mean, dude, I would almost miss the Countach. This is insane, bro. And I get to drive the baddest one of them all. Sorry, guys. We're in the F6. Let's go.
Livery's done. They got it all stickered up. We're a little bit different sticker than the cars that we're with, because we're part of the official Gumball, and we're going to be down there on Congress having a good time, and then we're going to head out and probably hit Bandera tomorrow. But first, tonight, it's Maximilian's birthday. Let's give it up for a Gumball 3000 pounder and the baddest dude on the planet, and we're going to have Afrojack, and it's going to be a party, and we're going to have a good time. But right now, straight and narrow, let's get down to Congress and check it out.
We're leading.
We are leading?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh boy, I wasn't nervous before.
You guys know me. I've spent my whole life chasing down cool cars, collections, signs, memorabilia, and all kinds of cool stuff with a story behind it. The problem is I can't be at every auction, swap meet, or collection sale out there. That's where Whatnot comes in. Whatnot is the #1 live stream shopping app, and it's packed with collectibles, automobile memorabilia, trading cards, watches, vintage finds, and over 100 other categories. There's always something cool popping up. Let me show you how it works. You just jump into a live show, check out what the sellers have coming up, chat with the community, and if you see something that you want, it's as easy as swiping right on the screen. A lot of these sellers and collectors are small businesses themselves, which makes it pretty cool. Let's see if we can find something for you. All right, here we go, 25, 30, and we got it. That's what I'm talking about. I've always loved to hunt, and that's what makes this fun. You never know what you're gonna come across. Now, if you wanna check it out for yourself, use my link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. You'll get $15 off your first purchase anywhere on Whatnot. So if you find that something for 40 bucks, that credit knocks it down to $25 right out of the gate, and we're not stopping there. If you sign up using my link and follow me on Whatnot, you'll automatically be entered for a chance to win $500 in Whatnot credit. That's $500 you could spend on automotive collectibles, vintage signs, trading card, watches, garage memorabilia, whatever you're into. We'll pick a winner 1 month from today. Hit the link and see what treasures you can track down. Now, let's get back to the action. Look at that. Pulling into the state capital of Texas, the most awesome state in all of the world. I don't even care. All the world. If other places have states, we're still better.
And bigger.
And bigger.
You have no idea what I enjoy, my friend. This is legitimately one of the best cars I've ever seen in my life. It's got an extra 2 wheels on it. I've never seen this ever. Talk to us about what you're driving.
This is our Ferrari Testarossa F6. We're powered by an LT4K Tech motor pushing out about 1,400 horsepower. Both rear drives are connected, so of course
the additional wheels, how does it work?
This is absolutely unbelievable. It handles on the track, it handles on the freeway, and we were having a blast with it.
And this is legal, yeah?
Anything gas money does is legal.
This is amazing. Thank you so much. I need to have a look on the other side. Gas Monkey Garage is where you want to see this. Go online.
Let's go!
Kevin, give it up for Gas.
So what's up, guys? How are you? Right on.
Ready? So you guys are really going to it. Very welcome. Thank you very much for joining us. We're going to watch that, yeah?
Take mine. Where are you going to see a 6-wheel Ferrari Testarossa with 1,400 horsepower? We did great. The car performed exactly perfect, and it was a lot of fun. I'm glad to be on the ground now and not in the car. Got my bags. We're going to have a big ass party tonight. It's Maximilian's birthday, and might as well be my birthday too. Let's celebrate.
Fuck, I want to be happy birthday. Let's go. All right, so we're here at Gumball. We parked up front. We got everything going on. We brought swag, so let's go throw some shirts out here.
Shirt fairy.
Large. Large. Who wants one? Come on. Large. Yeah, you know I got you. You? Yeah. XL or large? XL, please. Suddenly I'm everybody's friend. I don't understand.
I don't know what we got. We're just passing Richard. What are we doing? I don't know. It's a little thing called being kind to everybody, making sure they're having a good time, and marketing.
Christmas came early.
What's up? Here we go. Chunkin' swag. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen, dude.
This is a double XL.
I don't remember what we brought. We were rolling out and Richard goes, grab boxes. So I just sent my guys back out there real quick to go see if we got mediums.
Okay, so let's talk about this guy. He needs a shirt because I dirtied his shirt at the very start of the event with
XL
my...
or large?
This is the man box.
Man box.
It's the man box. Welcome, Eddie.
Thank you,
You just can't please them. I don't know what to do anymore.
Thank you, sir.
Alex coming in hot. What do you want, boy?
Hey, man. You know, you're a pretty shitty camera dude. You didn't bring me a cocktail or anything. You didn't bring me any beer.
drink.
You didn't bring me nothing.
Gumball is absolutely amazing. I've never been able to be a part of this. Obviously, Richard has been a few times and dominated it. But first ever time being here, we brought the 6x6, the F6, and I think it went as absolutely good as it could. It's still doing what it needs to. Look at the crowd around it. There is crazy amount of money and cars lined up here, and everybody wants to get on it. So, car did really well. Roland did really well. I don't think people are as much looking at me as Mr. Gumball back in the day. So,
Back in the day. Well, I wanted Josh to drive it because him and his team built it, and I thought that was the right thing to do. You know, I do own Gas Monkey Garage, and we've built some amazing things over the years, but it was important to me to make sure that the guys that put the work in did it because, you know, I'm
you've
busy.
already won it. Let us have some credit.
I do have a few Gumball trophies.
What's your plan for the rest of the night?
Plan for the rest of the night is no cameras. Austin, Texas, the next morning, everything was freaking badass. The party was unbelievable, and I'm a little hungover. Thank God I don't have to drive today, so I'm gonna get in the passenger seat and go to sleep, get my ass back to freaking Dallas. That's where I'm from, right? Okay, cool.
Richard's already in a good mood. Now it's our time to get in a good mood. Look at this. Where does fucking sleeves go? Dang, that's crazy.
Richard, how we feeling?
I'm feeling good, bro. Not bad for 57.
Yeah, I ain't taking my shirt off.